Good morning, it's Tuesday, September the 8th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing the best press releases along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, hopefully you all had a tremendous Labor Day weekend, but that tells me now it's time to get down to business. Trading has officially started. We're now getting into the heart of September, into fall. Also of important note, equally important, is that gold has now officially broken through the $1,000 barrier. Very important. Spot price now of gold is $1,004. And this run on gold was called by none other than our chief market commentator, Peter Grandich. If you're not following him, you should be. You can find his blog on the front page of AGORACOM. Now, time to get down to business. I've got 3 great press releases for you. 2 from the Canadian side. They pertain to gold, so they're very timely. And 1 from the U.S. side. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Clifton Star. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol CFO. They've received an updated NI 43-101 compliant report on the Beatty and Donchester properties, which are located in Quebec, which has incorporated drilling results up to May 31st, 2009. We've got a pretty great, looks like a pretty good 43-101. We've got 2,080,000 ounces of gold with a 1 gram cutoff. So congratulations to Clifton Star. Great news considering that gold is now broken through the $1,000 barrier and hopefully will continue its run. A little bit about the company. They're a junior mining exploration company with a focus on 6 properties that have had historic gold production, silver, copper, and nickel production. Company's last at $2.30, high of $3.53, low of 95 cents, and a market cap of approximately $40 million. Now, moving on to our next company, Sage Gold. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol SGX, and you guessed it, it's another press release about gold. Disclaimer time, they aren't a AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own 2 feet. The company is reporting on extensive channel sampling program on the King Solomon's Pillar property and the Beardmore Geraldton Gold Camp. We've got some results which include the Royal Crown, which returned 352 grams per ton of gold over 1.28 meters, and this is a channel sample. And under the Golden Scepter, they returned 154 grams per ton of gold in a grab sample. Additionally, we've got the Royal Crown showing exposed over a strike length of 50 meters. The Golden Scepter showing visible gold in grab samples exposed over 70 meters. And drilling is to commence by October 1st, 2009. A little bit about the company. They're a mineral exploration and development company which has interest in exploration properties in Ontario, Quebec, Nevada, and Arizona. Last at 6 cents, high of 16 cents, low of 6.5 cents, and a market cap of approximately $15 million. Finally, moving over to the U.S. side, the company is called iRobot, not the movie, it's the company iRobot Corp. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol IRBT. They're announcing a $6.1 million order from the U.S. Army. It's regarding simulation training and instrumentation. It's the 12th order under an existing $200 million indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity contract. So it looks like it's very open-ended. Currently, the total contract value now stands at approximately $30 million. Looks like $30 million worth of goods has been delivered under the contract thus far. Now, the robots, they're capable of identifying and neutralizing improvised explosive devices, IEDs. You're hearing a lot about these in Afghanistan and Iraq. Unfortunately, they're killing a lot of our soldiers, so hopefully this is the technology that can help our soldiers win the war and continue to stay safe. A little bit about the company. iRobot's consumer and military robots feature robot intelligence systems, proprietary technology incorporating advanced concept and navigation, mobility, manipulation, and artificial intelligence. Company's last at $11.39, high of $17.62, low of $7, and a market cap of approximately $280 million. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for tuning in. I hope everybody has a tremendous week. Now that we're back to business officially, make sure to join us again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open.